الحمد لله كفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Respected teachers and my dear all friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. There is no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah. Allah is very great. Allah is our creator. Allah is always with me. Allah takes care of me. Allah protects me. Allah can do everything. He is Allah, the one and only God. Allah was never born. He always was. He always will be. He has no children. He has no daughters. Allah has no wife. Allah has no sons. But Allah, He is alone. Praise be to Allah. He is kind. He knows everything. He sees everything. Him only do we worship. Here I conclude my speech. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.